If Google Drive is downloading or uploading painfully slow, this quick fix can help speed things up in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you a simple browser-based method to reduce slow Google Drive performance, clear out a few common issues, and try a different browser if needed. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your Google account and open Google Drive in your browser. The goal here is to work through a few Chrome settings that may be affecting drive speed, especially if your uploads or downloads feel stuck, delayed, or unusually slow. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings page in a new tab. On the left side, find Privacy and Security and click it. This section controls a lot of the browser data that can interfere with web apps like Google Drive. Next, click on third-party cookies. Google Drive relies heavily on browser permissions and stored site data, so if something is broken or outdated, it can sometimes slow things down. Now scroll down until you see all site data and permissions. Click that option so you can manage the stored data for specific websites instead of clearing everything. In the search bar, type google.com, then look for the Google Drive-related site data and click the delete or trash icon next to it. This removes the stored browser data for Google services that may be causing caching problems, loading issues, or slow syncing behavior. The important part here is that you're not wiping your entire browser history or all your saved data. You're targeting only the site data that may be interfering with Google Drive. After that, go back and try Google Drive again. In many cases, this simple cleanup can improve performance right away, especially if the problem was caused by a corrupted cache or conflicting browser data. If your uploads are still slow, the next thing to try is switching browsers. Open Google Drive in another browser, such as Firefox, Safari, or even a different version of Chrome if you have one available. Some users notice a big difference in speed depending on the browser they use, especially with Google products. One browser may handle uploads faster, while another may have extensions, settings, or background processes slowing everything down. If you use Chrome, you can also test the browser with extensions disabled, since certain add-ons can impact performance without you realizing it. But even if you don't change any advanced settings, simply trying a different browser is a fast way to isolate whether the issue is with Google Drive itself or just your current browser setup. So to recap, the fix is to open Chrome settings, go to Privacy and Security, check third-party cookies and site data, remove Google-related data, and if needed, switch browsers to compare performance. This is one of the easiest ways to troubleshoot slow Google Drive download and upload speed without getting too technical. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.